In this video, I am going to show you how to add or change credit card on Etsy. First, log into your Etsy account. Head to the Shop Manager, which you can finally find at the top right corner of the Etsy homepage. In the Shop Manager dashboard, click on Finances to expand the finance-related options. Within Finances section, select Payment Settings to access your payment information. Click on the Billing tab to view your current billing details. Here, you can either edit your existing card information by clicking Edit, or choose Add a new card under your Cards section. Enter your new or updated card information in the provided fields. After entering your card details, make sure to click Save to apply the updates to your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.